Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll discuss some of the reasons why the turn tray in your microwave may not be moving. We'll look at some of the components that may cause that symptom and how to check them. The first thing we'll need to do is check the settings on your microwave. Some models have the option of turning the turn tray on or off, and we want to make sure that we didn't inadvertently turn it off. Now next, we'll have a look at the turn tray and roller guide to make sure that they're positioned properly in the microwave cavity. If that checks out fine, we'll look at the individual components that may cause that symptom. Now the next thing to check is the roller guide. Inspect it for any cracks or breakage, for wear, and also look for any missing parts and verify that the wheels turn freely. If this part is defective, the tray won't turn easily and may cause that symptom. Now the next thing to check would be the coupler. The coupler sits on top of the drive motor and transfers that motion to the tray. Look for signs of cracking, wear, or missing parts, and replace it if necessary. Now the next thing to check would be the turn tray motor. It's located in the bottom of the microwave and has a small shaft that attaches to the coupler. If the motor is not turning, obviously the turn tray will not move as well. So we'll need to inspect that for either damage or broken gears inside of it, or perhaps a defective motor. Check that drive shaft on the motor, make sure it's not damaged or loose in the housing. We can then do a continuity check on that motor to determine if it's good. So we just place our meter leads across those two terminals and check for continuity. Depending on the model, it could be anywhere from a few hundred to a few thousand ohms resistance. If the motor still doesn't turn, we would need to do a live voltage test at that point. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.